The meeting show is incredibly important.
It's vibrant, it's amazing.
It's an iconic show, the place to be to connect with your network and your peers.
Meeting show really brings the industry together.
This is an industry that's all about meeting in person.
Having the opportunity to meet so many different destinations and vendors in one location.
I've made some everlasting relationships with people. I made some great connections with partners, with suppliers.
You know, every single company pretty much from the world's events here in one place.
World-class exhibitors, incredible buyers.
It's just a great community to be a part of.
When you bring people together, they can share knowledge.
Getting up to speed with what's happening, what's new, what's fresh.
Learn about the latest technology, learn about the new sustainability initiatives.
Speaking events, but also a lot of seminars. It's just truly inspiring. Have fun with it. It's new content. It's different.
When we work together to be able to solve problems and create solutions, everyone wins.
It's a wonderful place to better your business.
We love it, and we really can't wait for 2026.